YouTube thumbnails. Now, why are they such a big deal? Well, it's the first thing that people are going to see when they look at your video or on your channel. So it's always very important to have the best looking thumbnails for your channel and for your videos to get viewers and subscribers and to see what your content is actually about. Now, the thing is with YouTube thumbnails, it can be quite difficult to make the perfect thumbnail, and you can use a lot of different programs. So you can use Adobe Photoshop, or you can just try and use maybe a video editing program to make a basic thumbnail. Even YouTube allows you to make thumbnails. But what if I told you there was an easier way that you can generate high quality thumbnails such as these ones here with just the click of a button, without any editing involved at all? So you don't need to have any knowledge or experience in using Adobe or any of those complicated tools. Now the secret to that is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate you YouTube thumbnails in so much detail and within minutes. And I'm talking, forget spending hours trying to get the perfect thumbnail, the right text, the font, the colors and all that stuff. ChatGPT does all that for you. So these thumbnails here that you're seeing on the screen, they were generated by ChatGPT by me using a simple prompts of what I wanted. Now to make the thumbnails even better and to stand out, I incorporated my own face into my thumbnails for my videos. So that helps my thumbnails not only stand out, but it also saves me as a content creator so much time in having to try and edit and get the perfect thumbnail and then still not being happy with it. So go ahead and try ChatGPT for your YouTube thumbnails. I'll show you in the video now exactly how I can generate a simple and easy thumbnail for any YouTube video. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to ChatGPT. You can see I'm using ChatGPT 5.2. So for this example, I'm just going to use an image that I already have. And basically what I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT is, using my face from the image, can you generate me a YouTube thumbnail with the text appearing showing how to make the YouTube thumbnail? And the main thing here you want to do is have more details, so anything you want, specific colors or anything like that. So I'm going to just say make the thumbnail thumbnail stand out. Hit enter. So you can see that is an image I've previously used of my face, and it has gone and altered my face a little bit, but I've just asked it to use my image from that face. So let's see what it comes up with. Obviously, if you're going to be doing it, use a better image of yourself. This actually works really well on the phone because you can take a picture of yourself as a selfie and upload it using the ChatGPT app. I'm obviously using it on the computer, so we're just going to go ahead and see what it comes out with. So here we go, it's made something, and you can see that was less than 1 minute it took to make that. So let's see what it comes up with, and is it going to be any good? This will be very interesting. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. So it's got what I wanted, the text. There we go, perfect. So that looks pretty decent to me. I mean, it's gotten rid of all this part here that says how to play and that image, which was from the previous video, but it's taken my face still, which is what I wanted. Again, if you're going to use a phone, it will be a lot better because you can take a selfie, but you get the idea of how ChatGPT can do it. But my main point of this is to show you this took seconds, less than a minute to generate, and look at the effects. For me to make this in Adobe would have taken me, with my experience, at least an hour or two or even more. But with ChatGPT, how quick it made it. Look at that, perfect text, colors perfect, amazing, exactly what I needed, and it stands out. So you go on YouTube and you see that video, you probably think, what's that? And I'll click on it. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to make awesome looking YouTube thumbnails.